Alright, ladies and gentlemen, this is a PSA. As you can tell, that is a dead rattlesnake. I'm not going to get down there and tip it to see how many rattles on it, but I can count 4, 5 right now. But the PSA is, make sure you have snake boots on if you are in a snaky area working bees. And I've got, you can see one of them right there on the tree. You can't see the other one because it's in the weeds. And then you can see beehives back there. Well, this is a friend of mine's house that I have a hive. And I've got 2 queen mating boxes hanging on trees, getting some queens mated up here to see what the genetics of up here on the mountain is. He said this snake was laying in the road, somebody ran over it. Said it was a rattlesnake, so I just wanted to do a little quick PSA. Those things are deadly. Always be alert of your surroundings. There's another video on my YouTube channel of one that's in my workshop. It's a king snake, I think. But it's non-poisonous and I don't care. It's keeping mice out. Those poison pool noodles right there are not something to play with. Thanks for watching. Like and share and subscribe.